Sadly, Raz everything. This is my minor project plant. And right here is my moisture sensor. And when I run my program, we can see on the moisture versus time my moisture value. So right now it's in dry water. Dry soil. And we can see because it says pump is on and the water is dry. So over here, the pump is pumping out water. So while dry, it pumps for 2 seconds. And now if I move the pump into the water, it'll make it wet. So the pump turned off because soil is wet, is what it says. And I'm getting a really wet reading from the sensor. So right now we can see there's obviously a puddle above the soil, and that means it's wet. So for CLO2, I'm using the Fermata imports to initialize my board and the std draw to draw my graph. And I use an array list to store the values of the sensor. I add values each time in the loop. And in my second class, I have the communications. So the communications would be the if structure, where if it is dry, it'll pump out water, as well as giving the OLED displays. And finally, the big object constructor and how to change the values from that are called through the main method.